Hello, financial fans. Quite a busy, wonderful day on Wall Street for those of us who are investors. A lot of activity, and I guess it's mostly upward bound unless you're betting on a hedge fund of some sort. My portfolio for today is up 3.65%. Let me refresh the page because this keeps changing. Up 3.65%. Yep, still up 3.65% after the market has closed. And that is a very, very, very good day. But the other major indexes performed better than my portfolio. The S&P 500 for the day was up 5.54%. So that is a very, very big move upwards for the S&P 500. The Dow Jones Industrials up 3.69% for the day. And this is November 10th of 2022. The Nasdaq had an extremely good day, up 7.35% in one day. So this indeed was a wonderful day for the market and for me and my portfolio. For the year to date, my portfolio is down 15.74%. The diamonds, that's the Dow 30, down 9.43%, and that's of the major indexes out there. The Dow 30 index has performed best, even though it's down 9.43% for the year. S&P 500, SPY is the exchange traded fund, that for the year to date is down 19.84%. So I am beating the S&P 500 still. IOO, the Nasdaq Top 100, down 18.99% for the year, and the QQQ, the Q's down 33.09%. So if you've been investing in Nasdaq, you're really glad to see that 7% rise today, because for the year it's down 33%. If you were to invest in gold, suppose this year instead of investing in stocks you invested in an exchange traded fund connected to the gold market. GLD is the symbol of an exchange traded fund, and it's still down. For the year to date it's down, but only 8.32%. So interesting numbers, and a big day. Is this the beginning of what might meld into a Santa Claus Rally? We shall have to see. I'll tell you that I did sell a stock. Which stock did I sell? It's a stock that I bought on 11/30 of 2020, and so it's about 2 years I've owned the stock. RTX is a stock, that's Raytheon, and I bought it for $72.23 a share. And let me take a quick look here and see where I sold Raytheon today. Where is order status? We'll look at the price I sold it for. I sold RTX today for $97.92.47. 97, we'll make it $98 a share is approximately what I did get for selling it after holding it for 2 years. And so I would have received some dividends also. Let's go back and take a look at my positions here. What we have at TD Ameritrade, 2 pages here. I'll go look at real fast. These are the biggest 8 movers, the stocks that move the most percentage today. This is today's action only, not year to date. BIG, which is big lots, was up 14.47% today. ARKW, that's one of the exchange traded funds that I managed to sell at a loss, although this one I did not sell. ARKW, I sold ARKK, ARKX, ARKQ, and others, but ARKW today, that's the last of the ARK funds that I have. It was up 13.65% today. NIO, N-I-O, electric car manufacturer, was up 12.10% for me today. UMC was up 11.5% today, and by the way, that's less than 1% of my portfolio. NIO was 5% of my portfolio. ARKW is less than 1% of my portfolio, and Big Lots was less than 1% of my portfolio. Here's another one, less than 1% of my portfolio. WBD was up 10.97%. OMF was up 10.93%. Meta, M-E-T-A, that's Facebook, was up 10.45% today. And NYCB was up 10.79%, so those are big movers. Now what I'll do, I'll look at a page here where they show my 8 largest holdings. These are the stocks which make up the biggest percentage of my portfolio. The first stock we look at today was up 7.07%. Let me see if that's right, 7.07%. Yep, and that is the stock that I own that has the largest amount of the percentage of my portfolio value is in ZIM. ZIM, very unusual numbers. You might want to take a look at that one. It was up 7.07% today. It's 6% of my portfolio. BTI was up 0.49, about 0.5% today. That's 6% of my portfolio. Let's see if any stock is down. XOM was up 1.28% of my portfolio. That's oil. C, which is financial, it's 5% of my portfolio, and it was up 7.05%. This is a great day for stock traders, stock investors. NVS in my portfolio, it is 4% of my portfolio. It is up 2.6%. GILD, that's Gilead. It looks like it should be a gold stock, but it's Gilead Pharmaceutical, and it was up about 1/3% today. It's 4% of my portfolio. And VZ, Verizon, was up 2.41% today. 2.41%, and that's 4% of my portfolio. And 3% of my portfolio is VALE. All right, here's the first one that's down. Of all the stocks we've looked at so far, VALE is down 1.56%. But all in all, a good day. And what this shows, by the way stocks jumped up today, if you get depressed by a down market, and we've had lots and lots of depressing days and down markets all this year, but if you get out trying to time when you should get back in, you probably would have missed the bulk of the upward percentage today. The thing to do is stay tough, and what we actually are looking at right now, the thing that's going to be affecting the market most, other than big surprises that come along now and then, there will be some things that happen that affect the market that cannot be predicted until after they've happened. But if you stay in the market, the thing that's most likely going to be affecting your stocks for the next 2 years is the 2024 election. Just stay with it, and eventually the election will be over. Results of that 2024, 2 years away, meetup of the parties, that's going to affect you either upward or not upward, depending on whether or not you're in the market, out of the market, or looking at somebody who's in or out of the market as you watch them cry in their desperate wishes that they had never got involved with the market. I'm so glad I got involved with the market. The excitement day to day is wonderful, and especially today. I think this is the best day I've ever had in the market as far as total cash value upward movement. And we're getting near the Santa Claus Rally, if it's going to happen. We shall see you there, and I thank you very much for watching.